Hello YouTube, hello my friends. I'm just looking at some ants here. There are ants everywhere. Of course, as soon as I turn on there's a bunch. Turn on the camera, they all hide. But what's going on here? So I got a whole bunch of ants in my garden. Just running all around everywhere. These red ants here are coming in and raiding the black ants. They're all up on top here. I don't know if you can see any. It's kind of bright, so it's hard for me to see. But they're just running around everywhere. The red ones are harassing these black ones here. Seem to be evacuating from one bed to the next. Here's a good view of it. They're all going inside there. These red ants aren't from this bed. They come in here and raiding it. I'll come back out here in like 20 minutes and you won't see any ants. Well, one or two, but not like this. Now this is one of the things, organic gardening, not using pesticides and all that. Maybe some people see all these ants and start panicking, oh my plants or something, but this is just nature. There's a whole bunch of different species of ants. They may seem to be a pest to you, crawling up your leg or crawling all over something, or in this case here it's two different species. One's raiding the other. Actually the little black ones are more aggressive. They'll like go up your leg and bite and stuff. These red ones aren't like that. And the black ones are more likely, I see them more with the aphids and the leaf hoppers and such, so this is probably beneficial for the garden. But you start putting out borax and sugar water or whatever and trying to kill your ants, you just kill off one species, and if that's not the one farming the aphids on your plants, and upsetting the balance and everything, I'd prefer just let them be. I don't have problems with aphids or anything. I have lots of ladybugs and other things, wasps, and obviously ants. And like I said, there's more than one species. If one of these species is gonna farm aphids, well then these red ones will come along and raid their stash, I guess is what's happening right now. I've seen this before, happened last year a bunch. Oh, what's going on? There's ants everywhere, but yeah, it's over. It usually only lasts about half an hour. They'll go back to their home or whatever, right? If the light it wasn't so bright out here and I could see better, I could get a better shot at what's going on. But the red ones are coming in, they're fighting, and black ones are getting some of them, and red ones are getting some of the black ones. They carry off their dead too. The black ones, that's what they're doing over here, carrying their dead away. Just interesting. Just something to show, your organic gardening, not using pesticides, you're gonna have all kinds of bugs, but they're not all bad. And even if some of them are bad, you'll start putting out poisons and trying to micromanage Mother Nature usually doesn't work out too well in the long run. Just let them be. You know, you got a plant in there, it's just covered in aphids or something. Maybe it's not the right plant in your area or something, right? I don't usually have any trouble, and I got a wide variety of commonly grown things. So yeah, there's some ants. Peace.